In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through an exercise known as barbell bicep curls, but we're going to be going through this in the 21's variation. So firstly, I'm using an Olympic style barbell here. So these are typically the barbells you'll see people doing bench press or squats with. Now, if you are using one of these, just as a little disclaimer, they are typically 20 kilograms. So make sure that you can do 10 kilogram bicep curls on each arm before progressing to this style of barbell. Most commercial gyms have pre-made barbells, so they're a little bit smaller, and also they've got the total amount of weight on the sides of them, and you can progress up those smaller barbells before going onto this, or if you don't want to use a big one like I'm demonstrating with. So firstly, 21's, the variation of it, is 7 repetitions of 3 different parts of a bicep curl. So firstly, feet hip width apart. You're going to pick up the barbell that you're using with an underhand grip, so palm facing up. And what I want you to do in this position is I want you to have the elbows locked into your sides, shoulders back, core braced, looking straight forward with your chest up. Now your first 7 repetitions are going to go from this position where you've got the barbell in contact with your thigh, the biceps fully lengthened, to halfway. So you're going to do 7 repetitions, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then 7 repetitions from halfway to a full contraction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then the last 7 repetitions, you're going to come all the way down. So again, touching the thigh, from here all the way up, big squeeze of the bicep, and then all the way down for 7 repetitions. So those 7, 7, and 7 make the number 21, and that is the 21's style of doing a barbell bicep curl. Now, of course, you can repeat this for your desired amount of sets, and if you want to overload it, you're obviously going to put more weight onto the bar.